Hello everyone, and today I will be presenting about phytohormone. Phytohormone, also known as plant hormone, are organic compounds produced in small amounts within different parts of a plant. Even though they are produced in tiny quantity, they have very powerful effect on plant growth and development. Phytohormone regulate almost all major physiological processes in plant. These include cell division, cell elongation, and cell differentiation, which are all essential steps in the formation of root, stems, and leaf. Besides growth, phytohormones also help plants respond to their surroundings. For example, they allow plants to react to environmental stimuli like light, gravity, water, temperature change, and even physical damage. In short, phytohormone acts as messenger that coordinate the whole life cycle of a plant, from seed germination to growth to flowering and finally aging.
There are 5 major types of phytohormones. First, we have auxins. Second is gibberellins. Third is cytokinins. Fourth is abscisic acid. And the last one is ethylene. Auxins promotes plant growth by elongating cells, especially in stems and roots, that they also help in bending toward light. Gibberellins stimulate stem elongation, seed germination, and flowering. Cytokinins promote cells division and delay aging of leaf. Abscisic acids helps plants respond to stress like drought and induce seed dormancy. Ethylene is a gas that controls fruit ripening and leaf or flower shedding. These 5 types are considered as phytohormones because they control most of the important growth, development, and stress response in plants. Each one has a distinct and essential role in regulating plant life processes.
Now, let's look at the chemical structure of several important phytohormones. Their structure are key because they determine how each hormone functions inside the plant. First, we have cytokinins. This hormone promotes cell division and delay aging in plant tissue. Their structure typically contains nitrogen atoms, which help them interact with specific plant receptors. Next is indole triacetic acid, commonly known as IAA, which is the most abundant type of auxin. Auxins are crucial for cell elongation, root development, and directional growth, such as bending toward light. IAA has an indole ring structure, which gives it its unique properties. We also see gibberellins, a group of hormones that stimulate stem elongation, flowering, and seed germination. Their structure is more complex, consisting of several interconnected rings, which explain their strong biological activity. Another example is salicylic acid, which is structurally simpler but very important. This hormone helps plants activate their defense system against pathogen and stress. It plays a big role in plant immunity. Finally, we have ethylene, which is quite different from the other hormone because it is a gas. Its simple chemical structure allows it to spread easily through plant tissue. Ethylene is responsible for fruit ripening, leaf drop, and responses to stress. Even though each phytohormone has a different chemical structure, they all work together to maintain balance, allowing plants to grow properly and adapt to changing environment. Thank you.
The function of phytohormones. First, it regulates plant growth and development. Phytohormones act as chemical messengers that control almost every stage of plant growth. They regulate processes such as cell division, cell elongation, and cell differentiation, ensuring that root, stems, and leaf develop in the correct shape and size. Without phytohormones, plants would not be able to grow in a coordinated and organized way. Secondly, it can coordinate response to environmental change. Plants cannot move, so phytohormones help them adapt to their surroundings. When a plant sense change in light, gravity, water, availability, temperature, or physical injury, phytohormones trigger the appropriate response. For example, some hormones help plants bend toward light, conserve water during drought, or strengthen tissue against damage or pathogen. Third is control reproductive process and life cycle events. Phytohormones play a key role in reproduction by regulate seed germination, flowering, fruit formation, fruit ripening, and seed dormancy. They help ensure that this process occur at the right time and in the right condition. For instance, certain hormones activate enzymes needed for germination, while others promote flowering or control how fruit develop and ripen. Fourthly, it can maintain internal balance in homeostasis. Just like hormone in animals, phytohormones maintain internal stability within the plant. They can activate or inhibit specific process depending on the plant needs. For example, when the plant has enough growth, some hormones slow down further development to prevent waste of energy. This balancing act helps the plant survive in changing conditions. 5. It regulates senescence and abscission. Phytohormones control natural aging of plant parts such as leaves, flowers, and fruit. They regulate senescence, aging and yellowing, and abscission, shedding of leaves or fruits. This is important when the plants need to conserve resources, especially during stress conditions or seasonal change. 6. It can support communication between plant organs. Between plants do not have a nerve system. Phytohormones act as signals that allow different parts of the plant to communicate. Root can send hormonal signals to the shoot to indicate water stress, while the developing fruits can signal leaf to send more nutrients. This internal communication ensures all parts of the plants work together for survival and efficient growth. That's all from me.
Next is the application of phytohormone. Phytohormones are to improve plant growth and the stress tolerance index in crops. Phytohormone plays a very crucial role in seed formation and also seed yield. Phytohormones are commonly applied in agriculture on minimizing plant susceptibility to biotic and abiotic stress while improving crop productivity. Disease-suppressing treatments such as AMF and beta-aminobutyric acid (BABA) elicitors are also beneficial in agriculture as they can enhance plant resistance to biotic stresses, triggering the biosynthesis of secondary metabolites and enzymes that induce plant resistance to diseases.
Application of phytohormones in cytokinins. First, controlling shoot growth. Used in combination with auxins to regulate the ratio of shoot to root development, promoting lateral bud growth, branching. Second, promoting cell division. Essential in tissue culture to stimulate rapid cell division and shoot proliferation, allowing for the mass production of disease-free plants. Third, delaying senescence, aging. Applied post-harvest to prolong the storage life and maintain
the freshness of vegetables and cut flowers by delaying the breakdown of chlorophyll and proteins. Application of phytohormones to enhancing agronomic performance. First, phytohormones can increase both quantity and quality of the harvest by regulating flowering time, fruit set, and ripening. Second, ethylene is used to regulate fruit ripening, improving the uniformity and shelf life of fruits.